So try to NDC for your crown for. O can say NDC near crown for and or corrupt. As is any all can say Obro neighbor one tade. And no be any. And the NDC government we any NDC aban HM. One who corruption, one who chronobo, one who scandals are kessien. But this very scandal like SCD Pantuma. Scandal mother of all scandals. Where mother of all corruption, mother of all thievery, chronobo nyina.
I was a woman about the Ghana and TV so. But money so like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no attend on notification that next time. Videos of this channel also submit to my camp. Same on the piano. If I'm Mr. President, to from Mr. President, and I just somehow say, Madaroma. Now, but money so like video, no subscribe to the channel. Come on, my favorite. By chance, you would want to contribute to our studio works, being it sound, internet, lights, everything. But you'll reach out through number and that's it. Yes, I can better was a pound. So now, it was a scandal. Be a coso, Jubilee has young no say. A very seriously alleged scandal because you are John the money Mahama. And then I make a money over my college on the money be something. Sebi, you just of woody. You were different, my you were different motion come you are John the money Mahama.
So try to NDC for your crown for. O can say NDC near crown for and or corrupt. As is any all can say Obro neighbor one tade. And no be any. And the NDC government we any NDC aban HM. One who corruption, one who chronobo, one who scandals are kessien. But this very scandal like SCD Pantuma. Scandal mother of all scandals. Where mother of all corruption, mother of all thievery, chronobo nyina muya santua. And see. Good board the ene de munketwo. Eya prinkuma egun shrene good board the eno. Good board the end I bring kuma egunsen and no grand net titi Ghana for eki kem say be chrono na ye NDC for corruption na ye. Where the chese asu ebribra this very corruption asu ebribra ebe Ghana for trimakum. Na sa corruption ne chrono box scandal we esi wo Ministry of Roads. Ministry of Roads Kwame Agbuja eda no. Na sike ye involved 73 billion Ghana cedis. Enye million and 70 billion 73 billion Ghana cedis. Shale? That is about 7% of Ghana GDP. Ghana sike ye nya o Ghana fimuni nyina 7% ana one ministry. Omu bomu krono. One ministry pe. Asweye ba kope. Enye entire government no. Enti imagine say asweye ba kope one ministry. Ghana krono 7% of our GDP. That is alarming. Just say one more Ghana for bromusu. One more Ghana for. Just say one more say wo mine. One more di wo mine sika 73 billion Ghana cedis. About like I think that is even over 7% of your GDP. Na ni nyina ne say Mahama mubeka ya 2024 elections no a campaign or CBB the big push. Mobile road, mobile infrastructure projects are kesian there. Ekeka hum. Na no na fourth estate for ayen hwehwemu hunu say sa na an avenue to create loot and share. Ababe dane e bia NDC for no. Omu create na omu loot no omu share. Why you won change factory. Na ne omu ye ne say contract be on day might be a sole sourcing. And as a sole sourced and a single sourced. Nina say, ye baby road, ye baby bridge, ye baby interchange. Yen BM Emma will be our qualified be apply and better any bobre. Nemo Mahama and I buying or more better them. Normal hand picky NDC for contractors, ne contractors are or we are associated with NDC. No more cookie figures. Near the contract in Amani Park on as a corner. Now, about 90% of contract or media man that big push in a sole sourced. In the DM, for first state for the Atosa Gargantuan corruption is kind of NSM, sole sourced factory. She say Ministry of Roots one on Adane factory. Adani so sourced factory, Adani factory, a one yema so sourced contracting. Now you see, near us, feminine say, Mahama, echo parliament last year, State of the Nation's address. Also, walk Yamia or someone, and so no na bay so sourced, soon, or man to quanta or my pie. In fact, our position no so sourced. Baby a buying a bokron. So be person bokron one so sourced. And one or ye inti one no na buying the State of the Nation's addressing. Also no na buying the. And ya dia omo di so source e be ye adwuma. Sa o kan sa asem we kire Ghana fo nyina na omo te dem a omo cookie so source contract. Set ye ni. Sika ye involved 73 billion Ghana cedis. One change 70. As if you move and it's just and this if we almost for Ghana for you. They have no regard for Ghanaians. They don't respect Ghanaians. Or my head to say a kura walk cow panu. What about Vijana Bontis out the union source? Meanwhile, what shut them when ya bra will be a source factory. Mukuki figures they contract my NDC contractors at a camera. My inflated project contract prices near there. They just nyasem kitwa. NDC for no man but mobile be boagano. Or mobile say one mobile be bogana for chrono. Or mobile be VB Ghana for. And in just 1 year pay. Or my bob besia over 11.93 billion US dollars now. So you knew no more the your gold reserved. Or my ton over 18 tons. I see car PM in excess of 3 billion US dollars. In him new mode Charlie, na contract and so mode baby roads in bridges and interchanges. A beboama aquabedi aye simple amagan and also more fun de bogana chrono. As if him. So I have come to realize that NDC as a party, naturally, organically, originally, more attracting kwasiafo. Say be omo muntimi use so mad, omo low IQ. And party so deliberately it take it time and make it conscious effort to recruit too. Say be omo Jimmy, omo ba social media, metimi aka kwasiasem. No more train you, omo you are no more to omo social media say omo be di atem no omo kan sem fun. And fan sem ankrofo pussy about NDC party na NDC aban na enko yi emo. Because now, me a video be an amateur how I NDC are buying in 1 year pay. About 11.39 billion US dollars. Ye nimu ni omo de aye. Na message obenya aboche na wako video nimu na wahwe comment section hono. Ni NDC for no omo be comment ye no omo kae. Ebi se NDC mbo obesia da. Ebi kra say menchire bank ko a NDC aban ne bo obesia. Ebi nso timi can say the entire 2025 no NDC aban na amfa any loan agreement and call parliament for approval di womo bo obesia da che say ignorant comment that say bi yense bi anims comment akoda wonim hwe kra make che say jimiesa. But you see, we free education am dey ba be mom. This is the last time I will do this. Inti muntie na muntie ni. Most NDC more obesia da since am ba bem. But a few weeks ago, at first the finance minister can say, under this useless NDC government, so mobile to me government workers kakra. I just saw my quack about Bessia. Now in 1 year, we bought Bessia 1.17 billion Ghana cedis. Eddie tria abaya juma for a tria pay. That's it, like paying of government workers' salary. 17 billion Ghana cedis converted by US dollars. We are talking about somewhere 1.7 billion US dollars. But that is not even the point. The Bible tells how NDC are buying about 11.9 billion US dollars a car. Okay? Akufo-Addo efiri abem. Akufo-Addo efiri abem. Now your debt stock and number 48 billion US dollars. And I mean, no one say your debt stock a free aqua could do 61.3 billion or so US dollars. Yeah, ended 2025 December. December 2025 December. With debt stock of 641 billion Ghana cedis. That's 641 billion Ghana cedis convertible a cedis money. That is 61.3 billion US dollars. And see, And this year by now I added 11.93 billion Ghana US dollars in just 1 year. And also me boy, January 2025. And this year by now I catch the yin I say for 2025 omobobo besia 200 billion Ghana cedis. At the time, the exchange rate in here 14 cedis to $1. And we are conversion, we are talking about 17 to 18 billion US dollars for just 2025. And on there, we see enormous and almost on the domestic capital market through the issuance of a T-bill, treasury bill. And that is
Abuza mamunyina makwa about the Magana and Sem TV so. But one so like if you know subscribe to the channel, no attend notification by next time. Videos of this nature about some sabit makabi now so watch your comment section.
There wasn't a single week.
Say the munyina mun from Mr. President. Madaroma, if by chance it may offer you feel impressed with our works. Happens all boy may sit here studio ya ni idea. But your number and that's with marriage here to you. In some kind of episode maybe any Japan and better was so. Because this is the most active pro-NPP platform on social media. Now the BR said the end mama back to back. Tim will be a part of this family. Support us and we'll be so much grateful. The Busunya baby will be a home video and watch out to say Adudi Nyame is working. Adudi Nyame is working. Now Zungu boys be ne some other guys be a 2024 omuyi omoyem tu omonsi wo etwa yewura na nado dan ko fa do fenene a friend dia kase a friend din ya e she ne ne ya wo social media and the confusion si omontemo confusion chenche pa si omontemo Bempah mo yon kokwa ni mahwem na yi na confusion esi omontem nyana na se enne ya yiwura na nado dan ko fado enia ban mo akotena fi yiwura na nado dan ko fado ni Dr. Laj Mahmoud Baumia enia ban mo makotena fi jo mahome afeno yiwo mu yiwura John Dramani mamu mu sa
na 5 billion na ba
ma tomo color TV akoto black and white
so that was the premise
ma tomo kenti papi akoto broni wo atade na on se emre wo ye ninka so ana se mere twem ho ntimi ndane zan ko achi TBC o matata no mo ye blame games we blame we na we blame we no blame we adudi nyankopon pe ne betima yesade we nipa bi ntimi nye ye bon hu de ro chigana for se Ghana for ye John Dramani Mahama mu hu ne sande bukat ne zama mu enyenyenyenyenye fare mamu enyenyenyenye mo ntie ene confusion si o montem abusa se beka se yawa mo me enko he video ne mra enko ba bia o ye wie ba me sabe kire madwo ha enko mra
intisika no munya 11.93 billion ni nyina ba o mo honom ne omudi tua maturing T-bill no eno nka ho so eno na mebu so omo say eden na omo de aye sa 11.93 billion US dollars and this year by enya no just 1 year then na omo de aye because social service na it's more than half of what Akufo-Addo a boy Akufo-Addo boy in the entire 8 years. If Mahama should go according to this trajectory, say every year be obeboka and our bebo besia 11 billion US dollars. It means say or the 4 years bebe we no about besia in excess of 44 billion US dollars, which will be like times 2 of what Akufo-Addo a boy in 8 years. You will use just 4 years to borrow times 2 of what Akufo-Addo used 8 years to borrow, and that is alarming. That cannot be sustainable for our economy like this. More so say Akufo-Addo ne buying. Try hard to make sure say the global economic crisis are a coma and then the debt challenges because at the point in a government revenue was easy, you're locking down the country, your port in the internet, say your Bobesiam, and my him. Akufo-Addo ne buy ye Jumama, say you need debt problem. You need a kahun problem cry. But if Mahama continue on this trajectory, it means or the end call back into that gatesa, the global economic crisis at the Ghana, and that is what some of us here raise concerns about, and also asking the tough question, say, oh Bob then what they are. And you have these fools so you so much, no more comment section, no more can more.
Or draw letter 24th June. Which is Tuesday. And the PPA board will patch say Omo say one day now kind letter now Zumi mame or say we refer to your letter blah 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 no about at the second emergency board meeting of the seats board held on Tuesday 24th June 2025. Now it's a Tuesday corona na board nitimi so say Ghana yesika twetiro dio yesika twetiri die 11 million Ghana cedis yemfa master ndobi hey one fa
Okay.
There be mianka Frank Mante. So what can I say about this criminal conductor? And you'll be